You spent months, maybe years, pouring your soul into your manuscript. But when it's finally time to publish, the real nightmare begins. Rejected EPUB files, margin errors, and invisible KDP algorithms. You wrote a masterpiece. You shouldn't have to become a software engineer to share it. That is exactly where Publishing Spot steps in. We take your raw manuscript and completely transform it into a global sensation. First, our expert editors polish your prose to perfection. Then, we meticulously format your interior layout for flawless print and digital reading. Next, our world-class designers craft a stunning custom book cover. We also write a magnetic book description and author bio that builds instant credibility. To elevate your brand, we build a sleek, custom author website and produce cinematic book trailers designed to stop the scroll and drive sales. We expand your reach with advanced SEO optimization and produce high-fidelity audiobooks, bringing your story to millions of listeners worldwide. With your official ISBN secured, we publish directly to Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Apple Books, and Ingram Spark. Your book is distributed globally. From public libraries to physical bookstores, we put you everywhere. Then our elite marketing team takes over to actively promote your work. We take your raw digital manuscript and completely transform it into a breathtaking, premium finished product that you can proudly hold in your hands. You did the hard part by writing it. Let Publishing Spot handle the rest. Claim your global spotlight and start your journey to the bestseller list.